Welcome to Farooqui classes. Today, we are going to make reading and writing a lot easier to understand. Imagine you are driving through a busy city intersection. There are no stop signs, no traffic lights, and no lane markers. Cars are crossing everywhere at once. It is dangerous, confusing, and stressful. Reading a sentence that has no grammatical rules feels exactly the same way. Look at this block of text. Without any signs to guide you, the words start crashing into each other. You don't know where one idea ends and the next one begins. The solution to this mess is a set of simple tools we call punctuation marks. Think of them as tiny signs on the page that tell you exactly when to stop, when to pause, and what emotion to feel. They act as the traffic signals of language, keeping our communication safe, structured, and easy to navigate. Let's start with our breaks. The first and most important break is the full stop, which acts as a clear red light. This diagram shows the sentence, "I am Daniel." The full stop at the end tells you that this specific thought is completely finished. It demands a complete halt before moving on. But sometimes you don't need to stop completely. You just need to slow down. The comma comes in, acting as a gentler speed bump. Here we see a list: apples, mangoes, and bananas. The comma creates a tiny pause so you can catch your breath, and it clearly separates each item in the list. Without these full stops and commas to pace the reader, sentences turn into exhausting, breathless run-on thoughts. Words on a page are naturally silent. Unlike a face-to-face conversation, they lack the facial expressions and tone of voice that tell a listener exactly how to feel. This is a question mark, used next to phrases like, "Where are you going?" Think of it as an asking face. Next, the exclamation mark flips into place next to, "Wow, this is amazing." This is your surprise face, reserved for sudden, big emotions. These marks act like a movie director, giving you explicit instructions on exactly what emotion to inject into your voice as you read. Now for our connectors. This colon works like a spotlight right before introducing a list: Danyal, Huzaifa, and Faiza. By changing shape, it becomes a semicolon. Watch it form a bridge, cleanly connecting two related ideas: "I was tired" and "I went to sleep." The apostrophe has two jobs. It shows ownership, linking Daniel to his book, and squeezes words to create short forms, turning "I am" into "I'm." To show speaking, quotation marks act like a playback button, framing literal spoken words, like "I am ready." These connector marks organize the complex relationships within the text. They prove who owns an item, who spoke a specific word, and how independent ideas link together. Before we drive, we need to turn on the engine. A capital letter serves as the green light to start a new sentence. Capitalization has strict rules. Always capitalize I, days of the week, months, and special names like Amravati, Monday, or Allah. These uppercase letters are immediate visual flags. They tell the reader that a brand new thought or a highly important subject has arrived on the page. Let's go back and look at that chaotic, unreadable sentence from the very beginning of our lesson. Watch what happens when we apply our new tools. Stop signs, speed bumps, and emotion faces drop into place, organizing messy letters into clear thoughts. To recap, full stop ends, comma pauses, question mark asks, and exclamation mark shows emotion. These signals give you the power to guide a reader through your thoughts with precision. You now have the tools to make every sentence clear and easy to follow. We'll see you in the next lesson, here at Farooqui Classes.